Well, let's move on. Let's talk about the Uber quests, or at least lack thereof, and what's going on. So,
This is my quest, Chris. This is my quest, buddy. This is what we're down to now.
well, I sent you, myself, and Gabe had that conversation of the quests, what was going on. Let me see if I still have mine on. Yeah, so it was 70 trips for $45 plus 10 trips, because I'm still on the trip. I don't have the quest goals, thankfully. So it's 70 trips for $45 and another 10. So 80 trips for $50. The next one was 60 and 20 for 35.15, 50 and 20 for 30 and 15. So it's like, where are these going?
This is garbage, bro. I mean, seriously. Yep. I mean, look at the top quest, 745. This is rides and eats, by the way, combined. I mean, hello. $745 quest goal I gotta reach to make an extra 35. What is that? Is that 4%? Right? About 4% ish. And the one that I picked, which I pick one anyway in case I'm gonna do some deliveries, because I certainly am not gonna fill up $185 because I was busy with Lyft. Thank you, Lyft, for showing me the money for the last 2 weeks. Hopefully you'll show me the money this weekend again. $185. This is an insult, bro. $5. I can't buy a pack of gum for $5. What the F, bro? Look at this thing, man. Come on, man. You know,
don't spend all that bonus in one place.
Well, this is what happens.
I gotta ask the chat. What have you been seeing with your bonuses? Have you been seeing them start to dwindle down? Have you seen them go up? Are you even getting them? What are you seeing? Let us know. And roulette wheel right here. I have to completely agree. Quests are a joke anyway. I'd rather get paid more for each ride instead of quest bonuses, which they can reduce it anytime they want. And I agree. I'm under the same exact impression. Get away from bonuses. Get away from all these stupid quests and all that. Just pay more. Pay across the board more. That way, then, it's just better overall. I don't need all this extra crap. It's picking up somebody, dropping them off. Why do we have to complicate it with all this extra shit?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, insult to injury, they send it every week. I pick one every week because, again, our motto is what? Show me the money. Your car, my car is yours. Otherwise, it stays in the garage. For this garbage, my car is not moving for you, Uber. I guarantee you it's not moving. It's just not going to happen. Until you show me some love and some cash, quests. And we talked quite a little bit about these dollar quests. We have our opinions. The videos are on the channel. You can go all watch it. I'm not a huge fan of dollar quests. I used to like like Chris has, my, trip for dollars, like trip count quests. So yeah, this is where we're at. Put it in the chat. What does your quest look like in your city? Or email me, Sergio@RideShareGuy.com. This is what we're down to, $5. What is that? I mean, I'm just not getting it. Like if some algorithm comes up with this, Chris, probably $5. Might as well not just give me anything. I'm happy with it.
I know you did the math on this. $185 goal for $7, the average price. How many rides is that? How many rides would you have to give just to get that extra $5?
At $7 average? At
$7, you're running average. What, 13, 14 rides right there just to give an extra $5? Yeah. That's what, like 50 cents?
Yeah. Think about that. 30 cents or 20 cents, 30 cents a ride. I mean, what are we doing here? Who are we kidding ourselves? Just kidding ourselves? What's going on? So yeah. So forget about these quests. Look, man, these are carrot and stick things. Anyway, not everybody is supposed to get these quests on top of everything else. We'll talk about that when I show you guys my numbers on Lyft. And, this is where we are. Why is it? But, a good question is, why are quests where they are? Here's the answer. Information, education. The reason they're where they are is because every corner of LA has 8 Uber drivers, literally every corner. 8 or more drivers.
Yeah, it's the same.
People call it oversaturation. I call it desperation, because people need cash. Inflation is hurting everybody. Gas is back to $5.50 in LA. People need to put food on the table, and they're out there trying to make $200-300 a week extra on top of the W-2s, and the streets are flooded with drivers. And Uber goes, if I have that many drivers, why do I even have to put out quests, right? Well, there you go. That's the result. $5. That's it.
Yep. And that's it. I mean, the same thing, even in Buffalo, we're actually just starting college back up. So that's going to start picking back up. School doesn't start until just after Labor Day. So Labor Day weekend, then school starts. So all your teachers that are driving right now and delivering right now, they're getting off the platforms because they're going back to school. So it's going to start picking back up, at least in our area. But that's the same thing. It's, there's a lot of more people out. The good thing is there's a lot more people on the delivery side of things than there are on rideshare. So that's always a benefit because I don't care about delivery. I like rideshare a lot better. And I'll continue it that way. I don't think I'll ever really go to delivery. There's no reason. I mean, I don't get Prop 22 money, so.
Well, we did InDrive. Our good old buddy in Florida is doing a bunch of InDrive. He's sending me some good screenshots. In a few weeks, we'll have to have him on and have him explain how it's going. He's done a whole bunch of trips already, and he's liking it. But we'll see how it goes.
Nice.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.